Ayan, kumusta po kayo? Magluluto po tayo ng spaghetti pasta na ang gagamitin po natin ay tuna, century tuna. Ayan ha. Ngayon, ilalagay ko ito. Nagpapakulo na ako ng tubig dyan. So, ang gagawin ko is, ito yung mga ingredients natin. Nilagay ko na dito para malapit. May 1 can of mushroom tayo. Lahat po tayo pwedeng gumawa or makakagawa ng ganito sa bahay natin. So, ito po yung ating chopped fresh tomato. Tapos, sinave ko po yung ating sabaw sauce from the can of tuna. Put that aside. Then, we have 2 century tuna. And also, this is calamansi flavor. But also, you can use also any kind of tuna that you like. We have the red onion. I chopped that one. The garlic. Lots of garlics. And we have a broccoli, which is it's just an optional. But I tried to put vegetable in it so my daughter can have a vegetable. And also we have the all-purpose cream. You can find this any other store, like you can buy in Filipino store. Tapos makakabalik ka rin ito sa Walmart ng all-purpose cream. So we set that aside. Ngayon, let's start for our procedure. How we cook it. Of course, we're gonna use butter. Put half of the butter. I like to have a lot of butter in there. So we have water in here for our pasta. And now we are starting our procedure how we're gonna make our sauce in here for the pasta. Okay. And also guys, I have lemon in here. I'm gonna use that later in our stuff. Now I'm gonna add the garlic. So start our garlic. You can also use olive oil. Para masarap din yung olive oil dito. So ayan, nagba-brown na yung ating garlic. Ngayon lagay na natin yung ating onion. This is half onion na medium size. Tsaka meron tayong half na spaghetti. Ito, half pound. I think this is half pound. Oh, it's 1 pound of spaghetti noodles. So, ayan, makikita nyo na ang ating onion and garlic is cooked. We're gonna add our tomato. Ayan, yung aking ano pala, the water, ready na siya. Ilagay ko lang ito. Tapos, mag-a-add lang ako ng salt sa ating ano. Mag-a-add tayo ng salt. Tapos, oil. Habang pinapano natin yan. Gumagamit po ako ng peanut oil or coconut oil. Ayan, ngayon. Ayan natin ito. Lutong bahay po tayo. Lutong bahay. Mas masarap talaga yung lutong bahay kaysa sa labas. Then ngayon, ayan, makikita nyo naman ating tomato. Lalakasan ko kunti yung ating apoy. Kasi para ano. Tapos lalagay ko na yung ating century tuna. So itong ingredients na to, may pagkaano siya, sour-sour. Because I'm gonna put also lemon in our sauce. Later, sweetie. I'm making video. Because we're gonna eat soon. Okay, use the serving spoon, okay? Okay, quiet now. I'm making video, okay? Yes? Ayan guys, ano nalagay na natin yung ating tuna. So you can use any kind of tuna that you like. Yan. Sensya na kayo ah. Tanghalian na, tanghalian. Ayan ang ating tuna. Ngayon lalagay ko yung ating mushroom. Add salt. I use pink salt. Add black pepper. Next lang natin siya. Oh, hey, stay in the dining room, not in the living room. Okay guys, I'm sorry. I thought ang camera ko ay naka-on, hindi pala. So I put the cream and also I put the what you call this, the water from the tuna already. Sorry if I did not. I thought I was recording but I did not go through. So well, I put all the ingredients. I put salt and pepper and I pressed the lemon, the skin of it. I just shredded that on the top. Okay, and then I put cream, half of the can of the cream, this little can, and then I put the broccoli. Now I'm gonna lower our fire so our sauce is not gonna get dried. And also guys, I add Italian seasoning, just a little bit if you like, but if you don't want it, don't worry about it. And we have the red pepper. You can put that on the top as you like, but right now I'm not gonna put it directly. Excuse me. Ayan na yung pasta natin. Kunti na lang. So tamang-tama yung pasta natin ay maluluto habang naluluto tong ating sauce. So, ayan. Itatry ko siya. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo naghinto, but itatry ko siya. Sobrang sarap. Tsaka yung lemon kasi, tinatanggal niya yung lansa ng isda. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, kukuha ako ng sabaw ng ating pasta. Kasi, ilalagay ko dito. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Kasi sayang naman yung ating sabaw. Tapon na naman natin yan. We'll get the thickened stuff in there. Masarap siya. Okay, the pasta is cooked now. Na malambot na siya. Ayan. I don't like the pasta that's overcooked, so this one is half cooked, and then when it's half cooked already, I turn off the fire and let that cook a little bit. As you can see, the water is gone in there. I can take it out and wash it with cold water, but I don't have to. Because the pasta absorbed already all the water. That's what I like. But that's your preference, how you cook your pasta. Now, ating sauce is ready. I'm gonna turn that off. We just pour it in our noodles on the top of it. Ayan. Ilalagay ko lang yun sa ibabaw. Lagay nyo lang siya sa ibabaw. Tapos imimix nyo lang siya. Ayan. Tapos lagyan natin siya konting cheese. Ayan guys, ayan na. Ayan. Sa inyo. I-ano na natin, serve natin siya, no? Lalagay lang natin ng vegetable sa ibabaw. Okay guys, ayan na yung ating pasta tuna. So lalagyan ko siya konting parmesan. Tapos red pepper. So may kunti tayong anghang. So ayan na ang ating century tuna beautiful pasta. Ayan na. Creamy, delicious, and has some mushroom in it and broccoli with vegetable and creamy sauce. It was perfect. Ayan guys. You guys can try it in your house. Just use a different kind of tuna. It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry about what kind of flavor century tuna you want. But you can use any kind of tuna can. And you can make this delicious dish. And you know it's healthy for you. Because you make it. Okay guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Thank you so much for watching. This is Inday Badiday Vlog. Please watch and also subscribe in our channel. And please follow my daily video with cooking and sometimes eating and have fun. Thank you everyone. Bye!